Let's be real, who doesn't want to make money while doing absolutely nothing? No waking up early, no boss breathing down your neck, just pure lazy income flowing into your account every day. Well, guess what? In 2025, it's completely possible. There are people making thousands of dollars per month with almost zero effort, and today I'm going to show you the laziest ways you can do it too. Some of these are completely passive, some require just a little setup, and some are so ridiculously easy you'll wonder why you're not already doing them. So make sure to stick around until the end because I'm revealing a method that requires literally one click. Let's get started. AI is completely taking over in 2025 and smart people are using it to print money on autopilot. Here's how you can too. Here's the first idea: AI generated YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is exploding and AI can do everything for you, from writing scripts to editing videos. All you have to do is to create a YouTube channel, find a high-performing niche with high CPM, create content with the help of AI, and upload it consistently. You can generate the script with the help of ChatGPT or DeepSeek, and generate audio with the help of 11 Labs. Now, all you have to do is to edit your video with the generated audio. Use Pictory or Canva to generate visuals. Make the video attention grabbing, you know what I mean. Upload and watch the ad revenue roll in. People are making over $10,000 a month with faceless channels and they never even record a video. Here's the second idea. The next one is AI generated websites and blogs, and that's a good one. Don't feel like writing? I do it for you. All you have to do is get the domain, create your website, which can be done with the help of AI, and start writing blogs. Use Jasper.ai or ChatGPT to generate blog content. Monetize it with Google AdSense or affiliate links after you start getting website visits. Set up once and it runs on autopilot. The best way to speedrun the process is by doing the marketing of your blog website. Marketing is the main key thing of everything which you'll have to do to succeed. Some people are making $5,000 plus per month without touching their site after setup. This next method is selling digital products where you create something once and get paid over and over again. Okay, here's the first idea. Selling printables and templates on Etsy. People are making $10,000 plus per month selling resumes and CV templates, Instagram post templates, planners and worksheets. The best part? No inventory, no shipping, just pure passive income. You can easily create resumes and other templates using Canva and other AI tools. All you have to do is to go to Canva and start designing templates. Create Etsy account and list your designs. That's it. The second idea is AI-generated ebooks on Amazon KDP. Too lazy to write a book? AI's got you covered. Use ChatGPT to write an entire book. Use Canva to create a professional cover. Upload to Amazon KDP, sit back and collect royalty checks every month. But at the end, you may have to do marketing of your ebook. As I told you before, marketing is the key. Some authors make $5,000 plus per month and they don't even write their own books. Before we move on to the next method, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like to this video and subscribing to the channel. Also, if you need detailed video on any topic mentioned in the video, then do let me in the comments. Now, let's talk about apps that literally pay you for doing nothing. These are some of the laziest ways to make money in 2025. The first app is Honeygain. Get paid for your unused internet. With Honeygain, you just install an app and it pays you for your unused internet bandwidth. Set it up once and it generates money passively. No work required. All you have to do is to install the Honeygain app from Google Play Store or App Store, sign up and set up the app by following the given instructions. It's way easier way to make money while doing absolutely nothing. It pays you for your unused internet bandwidth, which is amazing for those who have unused internet bandwidth. The second app is Nielsen app. Get paid for browsing the internet. Nielsen will literally pay you for just using the internet like normal. Open Instagram? Boom, money came. Scroll Twitter? Boom, money came. It's free money, and once set up, it's completely passive. It's also the same. You just have to install it from Google Play Store and App Store. Set it up and use it. That's it. If you want to know more about money-making apps, then do let me know in the comments. What if you could sell t-shirts, mugs, posters, or phone cases without ever handling a single product? With print on demand, you upload designs and sites like Printify do everything else. Upload your design once. When someone buys, Printify prints and ships it. You keep the profit. Some sellers make $10,000 plus per month without ever touching a product. This last method is insanely profitable and almost no one is talking about it. It's called digital real estate investing, aka domain flipping. Here's how it works. Buy a domain name for $10 to $20, hold it until someone wants it, sell it for $500, $1,000, or even $10,000. It is like a digital asset which can be turned into highly profit investment. All you have to do is to buy the good domain, hold it for a while. You can also list your domain on marketplaces such as flipper.com. Once it gets sold, you just take out your profit. You should buy high demanding domain names. Some domain flippers make six figures doing absolutely nothing. So there you have it, the laziest ways to make money online in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. And if you want more money-making hacks, smash that like button. Subscribe for weekly passive income tips. The easiest way to change your life is to take action now. See you in the next video. Charlie Hustle out. Peace.